The issue of policing in Nigeria is very, very critical, and it's a constitutional issue. I personally think we must go back to Lancaster House Constitutional Conference and revisit the consensus reached by Nigerians about the nature of our democracy. Because ever since the military interregnum in 1966, Nigeria has been battling with different security challenges. It all started with armed robbery after the Civil War, and it has graduated to what we are dealing with today, organized criminality, which is terrorism. Let me speak about Plateau briefly. The military had released a security report indicating that 2 cells of ISWAP exist on the Plateau. And they arrested 2 founding members. Now, the dimension of the conflict on the Plateau is no more the ethnic or religious or farmer-herders conflict. It has graduated to a higher criminality. And the intentions of those who are attacking, killing, and displacing people is very manifest. It's just they are trying to replicate what they did in Zamfara. In Zamfara, majority of the population had been sacked. They are now refugees or internally displaced persons in metropolitan cities, while the rural areas have been taken over by these bandits with foreign nationals mining comfortably there. The same thing is happening in these areas in Plateau. If you take Bokos, Bokos is very, very rich in forests. Bokos also has huge mineral deposit and Bassa. So it's not mistaken that these things are happening there. They could be test grounds. And so calls have been made to the federal government. But I think I align myself with my brother Deji's submission. If the state cannot protect Nigerians, the National Assembly, with a voice vote, should amend the Constitution to allow Nigerians bear arms. After all, it was a voice vote they used to declare a state of emergency in Rivers. Let them assemble. They don't even need the quorum anymore. 10 of them, just like they did in the Rivers situation, can assemble with a voice vote and then amend the Constitution so Nigeria can bear arms and protect themselves. But these killings cannot continue like this. It must stop.
Thank you. So we intend...